Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have flag waving with cloud sky. Here is 164 files. All files are high definition and this file is JPG. You can see your flag and you can change or you can adjust anywhere. Wow. So I find our country flag, Pakistan. Wow, you can see the high definition file and you can use everywhere. Here next is Turkey. Wow. And Syria flag. Good. You can adjust for anywhere. For example, I drag this file, my country flag, drag on Photoshop, and I wanna change something. You can change color, background color, and for example like this, a sales offer in Pakistan. Drag on flag and adjust here, enter, press 4 or 5 if you want, or if you like. You see here the offer in Pakistan, and you can remove it, this offer. Select layer and like this. I just tell you, just for example, you can use in your own choice or your own work. Okay, I tell you, just remove it. Okay. I close this file, and Philippine flag, Qatar flag, Russian flag, Turkmenistan, Tanzania. Here with my friend Hafa, and Italy, Leo, Indonesia, India flag, Indiana, Indonesia and Iran. Wow. Iraq, Ireland, Italy flag. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah.